there. So what's your plan, Chloe? Maybe on online shopping. Wait, they're here. What? Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Caterpillar Network, and right now we have some kind of doll accessories here. It's Barbie shoes and accessories for, I think it's for school and colleges, something like that. And these accessories is applicable for the ages 3 and above. And yeah, so let's have a closer look. And for the first accessories, it's uh, it's the perfect for Barbie, for I mean the regular size of Barbie, because there is for the tall and curvy Barbie dolls, and this is for the short dolls, like the regular Barbie size. And it has some shoes. I think it's like boots or sneakers. We have boots. Oh, I love these boots. It's so adorable and cute. I like it. And here I love the color. It's so cute. Also, is also cute. And lastly, oh, this is so adorable. So let's try it on the dolls. Oh, it's perfect for Wally. So cute, right? And for the second accessories, we're going to have a closer look. And here we got a cup of coffee, a bag. We'll see if it opens. Oh yes, it does. Yeah, it opens, but you can put something inside. It's really cute and adorable. You got some notebook and a book, an iPad. Oh yeah, attached to the back. I think it's a necklace and adorable watch and a bracelet and adorable headphones, a flag, which is so cute. I think it's a pen, and they got some glasses. Let's see if it's quality. Oh yeah, it's really cute and quality. Yeah, it really fits. So cute. And let's put the bracelet for Rose. Oh, it's so amazing. And watch for Chloe. Oh, this is so hard to wear. Oh, hey Rose. I like your backpack and your new headphones. Oh, me too, Chloe. I like your glasses and your watch. Oh. Okay, I guess we have to go to school. We're going late. Yeah, agreed. Okay guys, thank you for joining us and thank you for watching our video. And by the way, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time for our next video. Bye.